Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many developers face when working with contentful assets, specifically images in rich text fields. The problem arises when trying to retrieve and display these images seamlessly within the content. Now, diving straight into the solution, one approach involves working with GraphQL to access the raw content in references from your rich text. By utilizing a specific function called _return_HTML from rich text, we can extract and render the embedded assets, such as images, accurately within the document. Moving along with the solution, another method involves making additional requests in a REST API scenario to retrieve the specific assets needed for display. Using a similar function, _return_HTML from rich text, we fetch the necessary image data by accessing the contentful space in asset ID, enabling us to seamlessly integrate images within the rich text. In summary, we've explored two key methods to address the challenge of displaying contentful assets, specifically images, within rich text fields. By leveraging GraphQL and making additional requests in a REST API setup, developers can effectively render images and enhance the overall content experience. Well, that's all for today, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Remember, coding without coffee is just code. See you in the next one.